Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Earthlink wireless home internet service. First, take your Earthlink wireless home internet device out of the box. Inside, you should find the gateway device and the power adapter. Before plugging it in, choose the best location in your home. Next, plug the power adapter into the device. Then plug the adapter into a wall outlet. Press the on or off button to turn the device on. After turning it on, wait about 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the device will search for the network signal. Watch the 4G or 5G light on the device. When the LED light turns solid green, it means the connection is ready. Now, it is time to activate your service. You can do this using the Earthlink Wireless Home Internet app or by visiting the online activation portal. Log in using the username and password that were sent to you by email or text message. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the activation process. Once activation is complete, look at the bottom of your device. You will find the default Wi-Fi network name and password printed on a label. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open the Wi-Fi settings. Select the network name and enter the password to connect. If you are setting up fiber service, you will need a professional technician to connect the fiber optic cable to your router and to connect it to the ONT. Thanks for watching.